Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z6339A. 72,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Sierra brand new. Sonoma red metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. It's a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottom, flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost, as well as power sliding rear window. Matching fiberglass cab. With locking tailgate, backup camera, rear parking sensors, and heavy-duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Spray and bed liner for protection. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Power adjustable pedals, perfect for shorter drivers. All the power outlets you need. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming garage door opener, and power sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this here has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size 4-wheel drive pickup. EPA average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6339A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.